Another cool feature of Connect Through MIDI is to have live chords being put in via a MIDI keyboard. It could be a very simple MIDI keyboard, even very cheap keyboards, electronic keyboards now have a MIDI out or are sending MIDI notes via the USB MIDI out. And I'm using the Lumi keyboard here because I don't have to connect a cable here. So you are really easy, it is really easy to set it up for you in the chord sections here. So if we have the MIDI controller connected, we select the MIDI controller and we hit S in this chords in section here now. And now I'm already playing those different sounds I have in the presets, and if we select a different preset we can hear this as well if we just want to put in the live chords here, and we can see and hear already that if we are selecting a preset, the preset will already and always play, and as soon as I put in now live chords, the playback MIDI chords are being interrupted, and I just override them and they will start back again if you hit space and then start again, or if you just select a different preset here again, then the playback chords are being reactivated. Okay, so this is very interesting for the sections where we have the full songs, where we already have bass, melody, arp and tonal percussion playing in the background already. So for example, if I trigger house here now, we can hear it's quite full already, and as soon as I put in some chords, all the different elements are following the actual chords I'm playing here now. So this is the power of Connect Through MIDI, that everything is connected tonically and is following what I'm playing live here on the keyboard putting in. There is a much easier way to play the chords live here as well. If you don't have a player who is putting in those chords here via a keyboard, you can use a simpler controller as well, which I show in the next video.